More than 20 years ago, with the globalization of the economy, the big health industry ushered in a rapid development opportunities. At that time, as a luxury item, massage chairs also received increasing attention from people. This led us to ponder, how can we make it possible for more families to enjoy a healthy lifestyle with a massage chair? With this initial intention, iRest entered big health field. For the past 20 years, we have persistently focused on product design, research and development, and intelligent manufacturing, comprehensive polishing of products to meet the health needs of every user.
After a busy day of photography work, the most enjoyable time is to be able to immerse myself in a massage. The massage chair I need not only needs to be comfortable while massaging, but also need to have an outstanding appearance and exquisite craftsmanship. The Elastair massage chair can perfectly blend into the aesthetic space I desire, allowing both my body and my mind to deeply relax.
We always prioritize the ultimate pursuit of a product and home aesthetics. Our products have successively won design awards such as Red Dot, A Award, AWE, CF Award, etc. We carefully select eco-friendly and biodegradable materials like water, soluble ecological nano leather, and microfiber leather. These materials have a soft texture and delicate grain. We utilize imported automatic cutting equipment with precision within 1 mm. Our craftsmanship includes top-level Italian leather sewing techniques, making the massage chair upholstery more refined and meticulous. The shell of our massage chairs is made from modified high-molecular materials from Dow Chemical, USA. This material provides the strength and toughness equivalent to steel. We achieve precision within 1 mm through closed-loop molding control. The surface is exquisite and flawless thanks to dust-free spray coating using automatic painting technology and robotic systems.
我现在的退休生活丰富多彩，一忙起来身体就容易疲惫。人退休，健康不退休。我每天回到家都需要放松颈肩、腰背、腿足。爱丽斯特按摩椅按摩精准，随叫随到，让我快速恢复健康活力。小爱，小爱，
我在，你说。
天伦养生。
好的。
Developed based on ergonomics, our flexible wheel is made of a carbon structural steel, precision welded by robots with an accuracy of less than 0.05 mm. The massage stroke reaches 1,520 mm, and the wheel has an opening angle of 166 degrees. Additionally, we have developed different densities, hardnesses, and elasticities of sponge materials based on the pressure points of different parts of the human body, ensuring a more comfortable sitting experience. As the core component of the massage chair, our massage mechanism features a 4D dual-V massager and dedicated massagers from the arms, hips, legs, and feet. All critical components of the massage mechanism come from DuPont in the US, and the transmission belt and the key bearings are imported from Japan. The 4D dual-V massager, a benchmark in the industry, offers a lateral massage width of 3 to 21 cm, longitudinal forward contact depth up to 12 cm. Combined with whole body type detection, the massage chair can automatically adapt to your body shape. To enhance massage precision, we conducted repeated experiments, focusing on key acupoints to achieve accurate massages.
The daily management of the operation of my business is keeping almost all of my time. leaving my resting and relaxing time very restricted. That's why it's very important to have an efficient massage. With OTA and the health self-application, Alistair gives me this unique feeling of deep decompression and tailor-made experience, acting as my own health manager.
We have always been committed to integrating smart technology into a healthy lifestyle in order to provide you with a more comfortable and relaxing massage experience. We have dedicated ourselves to creating the iRest cloud system. This system accurately detects body shape, blood oxygen levels, heart rate, microcirculation, and fatigue index data. With intelligent algorithms, it recommends the best massage programs tailored to your specific needs. This allows you to effortlessly enjoy a personalized massage experience. Our multidimensional smart control integrates controller, shortcut keys, app, and AI voice control.
开始按摩
The AI voice control supports languages from nearly 30 countries and regions. Simply give instructions and you can fully immerse yourself in an intelligent massage. Cloud data is encrypted and backed up, enabling intelligent synchronization across multiple devices.
На концерте необходимо соблюдать полную тишину. Это очень важно для атмосферы и звучания ритма музыки. Также это влияет на настроение слушателей, которые пришли послушать нашу музыку. Также и в массаже. Я считаю, что хорошее массажное кресло должно создавать атмосферу комфорта и тишины с минимальным уровнем шума, для того, чтобы человек смог хорошо расслабиться, сконцентрироваться на релаксе и отправиться в незабываемое путешествие комфорта и расслабления.
To create a quiet massage environment, we have developed a super silent motor with a thrust of 5,000 Newton. The operating noise is below 45 decibels, surpassing the EU standard of 55 decibels. In order to achieve this goal, we have established the industry's first semi-anechoic laboratory to conduct product testing. We have also conducted EMC electromagnetic interference control tests to ensure that the product's noise and interference comply with various domestic and international standards. In addition, we have integrated the industry's first mindfulness meditation music therapy, allowing users to experience ultimate relaxation.
自从有了宝宝之后每天的生活都很忙碌，就是让我感觉身体都很疲惫，而且安全环保问题就让我更加的焦虑。我是想要一台有安全环保认证的按摩椅，每天都能给自己放松调整。爱丽斯特按摩椅能快速缓解疲劳，安全环保有保障。
In order to ensure the safety and environmental friendliness of our products, we have implemented an MES information system in various stages, including raw materials, production, packaging, and services. This allows us to trace and monitor each step and component of the process. We adhere to strict environmental standards for materials such as leather, sponge, and paint, ensuring that our products are green, safe, and free from pollution. Our products have obtained dozens of international electrical authority certifications, including ROHS 2.0 certification, US medical device certification, and Japan's mandatory safety certification. We are proud to be the first in the industry to achieve the China Environmental Labeling Product certification. Additionally, we have established thousands of brand outlets in more than 300 cities nationwide to provide a comprehensive after-sales service and support.
As an orthopedic doctor who has encountered many people struggling with the spinal issues, I have always searched the solution to allow the people to take care of the spine every day. The Alistair massage chair
To the professional massage techniques such as
kneading, tapping, acupressure, stretching and stretching, and more can effectively squeeze out inflammatory molecules from the muscles, announce muscle strength, and make the spine stronger, stronger, and healthier.
We have taken the lead in conducting medical and academic clinical research on the efficacy of massage chairs. We have established collaborations with top institutions such as Tsinghua University and the River Delta Research Institute, Zhejiang University, Wenzhou Medical University, and others through industry-academia research partnerships. We have engaged with numerous academicians and experts, including members of the National Academy of Sciences in the United States, the Russian Academy of Engineering, doctoral researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and professors from Peking University and the University of Nottingham to carry out academic research, and established intelligent massager research institutes, academician workstations, postdoctoral workstations. By combining traditional Chinese medicine massage with modern technology, we have conducted extensive clinical trials that have proven the effectiveness of iRest massage chairs in preventing and improving spinal health issues. They have also been shown to alleviate muscle soreness, improve sleep quality, and enhance overall well-being. Since 2013, iRest has been collaborating with Wenzhou Medical University to conduct long-term clinical trial research on the effects of iRest massage chairs on the human body. The studies have confirmed that iRest massage chairs improve sub-health conditions and alleviate muscle fatigue after exercise, among many other benefits. We have formed a deep partnership with the Chinese women's national football team and introduced co-branded products to support the development of Chinese sports. This collaboration has gained recognition from top-level sports IPs worldwide. iRest has become the exclusive brand of designated massage equipment for the Hangzhou Asian Games.
On the cooperation of the 19th Asian Game Hangzhou 2022 and the iRest Health Service Technology, massage therapy benefits a lot to people's health, especially to the athletes' health and performance. iRest is an excellent combination of massage therapy and modern technology.
We will continue to empower the field of sports and health, aiming to help athletes achieve even better performance on the field. Originating from love, we are born for love. iRest has been devoted to the massage chair industry for over 20 years, establishing a complete industry cluster integrating research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and digital ecology. With 7 intelligent manufacturing bases, 5 product research centers, and 3 marketing centers, we have obtained over 1,000 intellectual property rights and have become the drafting unit for national standards in the massage chair industry. Our products are sold in over 100 countries worldwide, with more than 1,500 global exclusive stores, including over 200 overseas. iRest have over 5,000 employees, and we promote the culture of love, faith, attention, solidarity, easy use and relief, striving to create a good working atmosphere and living environment, allowing every employee to feel the warmth of love in iRest and create greater value for their families and society. We fulfill our corporate responsibilities by establishing a charity foundation and engaging in various philanthropic activities such as supporting people with disabilities, elderly care, assisting place, medical aid, supporting public health and education. We use love to give back to the world. iRest uses technology to safeguard human health, and with a more determined attitude, we let Made in China shine in the global market, making healthy products available in millions of households and continuously striving to improve the health level of humanity.